Look over the wobbly workbench here, guys. Like I said in the previous video, this is a cheap Harbor Freight workbench and it runs all over the shop. You have to chase it most of the times. And one of the first things I'm going to do when this new building is done is get me a proper workbench. I hate this thing. We'll make do with what we got. And this is the show face of the brace when you look up from the bottom of the barn. So I thought it might look nice to just chamfer these edges here, round them over just a little, and give me another good excuse to use another one of my favorite tools, Lie-Nielsen Brian Bod Spoke Shave. Love this tool right here. Just love a spoke shave altogether, not just this particular one. Very fun tool to use. And you can do this with a router, but I can't do it and talk to you guys, or I have to wear a dust mask or all that other junk. So it's a lot more enjoyable for me to do it with hand tools. Just takes a little bit longer. friends. I'm going to call it a night, it looks like. It's about, gosh, it's going on 9 o'clock. But we got that first bent up in the air. I got those supports coming off the side, and that's white oak. That should be more than enough to keep it standing upright for probably at least till tomorrow. Get this other bent up in the air. And everything was going pretty good on that, but I did run into one problem here. I got the come-along hooked up to it. I got the beetle out and I was pounding it in there and it was going pretty good. And this end down here is really nice. The tie beam seated in the housing really well right there. It's ready for pegs. Same thing goes for the brace on both corners right there. And it's nice and square right there. But down here I got a little bit of an issue. I'm going to have to take this side apart, it looks like, and work on this tenon just a little bit, because it's not seating in the housing right there. It's either a little bit too long, or it's a little bit too fat, or the mortise is too shallow. One of the three. I'll have to figure that out. It's seated really good right here at the post. Really happy with that. Look how tight that is. Looks really good right there. But by that gap being right there, it's causing the post and the tie beam to be out of square by about 1/8 of an inch, which is a pretty good amount when you go the full length of that post, which is right at 12 feet. So I want to correct that before I lock this one together. So we'll come out here in the morning, we'll disassemble this side, we'll fix that tenon, drive our pegs in. I'll probably go ahead tonight and drive the pegs in down here and let loose of the come along right there, because this side over here is done. It's good to go. Then we'll come out here tomorrow, I don't trip over something, put this frame up in the air. Well, I got to put about 2 girts on each side also to help stabilize these 2 bents, but it's going really good. I'm a happy camper right now, I'm telling you. I am tickled to death right now with how this is going. I wasn't sure at all how this would fit together when I started getting these tie beams out and actually putting them together. But I trust the process when I started this whole endeavor here, and it's paying off, guys, I'm telling you. And it's not as hard as it looks, put it that way. This little timber frame, it requires skill and a lot of patience, but it's really not that bad. Not bad at all. It's going together really good. I'm really happy right now. So, another update, t-shirts will be here Tuesday. I just got a shipping notification a few minutes ago, so it's Friday. I'm not sure when this video will come out. I'm about 2 or 3 days behind on editing here. But Tuesday, which will be the 23rd, Bruno's birthday, which makes it another special day, t-shirts will be here and we'll send them out in the mail to you guys. So they'll be there sooner than later, hopefully. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna sit out here and watch the sunset and probably just stare at this frame. I'm tickled to death with this. See you guys on the next one.